Get out of my shot. Yeah, there's a Corolla. Nothing new has changed. It's basically since you guys seen it from the last video I ever uploaded about the Corolla XRS. What is up, YouTubers? This is Too Slow. Today, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what's up with the Corolla. Why haven't you been posting videos about the Corolla? The XRS, to be exact. You haven't been uploading XRS content. You've been uploading Celica stuff. Did this channel turn into a Celica channel? No, it has not. It is still a 2ZZ channel. It is related to the 2ZZ, the Celica, the Corolla XRS. Yeah, every once in a while I'll throw in a regular Corolla 1ZZ or Matrix 1ZZ video, but it's just because I got those cars and I'm trying to like flip them, and I'm trying to make more content, more different type of content. There's people out there that like this type of rebuilding videos. Some like it, some don't. Obviously one person doesn't like it because someone left me a thumbs down on my last build video, so whatever, I don't really care. I mean, if people hate it, I don't care. Anyways, probably a spoiler, but to some it's a spoiler, to some they already seen on my Instagram. I already got the Matrix XRS, the Matrix XR. I already got it to start. I already got it to drive, and it works perfectly good. Really happy with myself. That was my, I guess you can say, second time replacing a 1ZZ. The first time I did it on an 01 Corolla at school, and that turned out pretty good. Went really smooth. This one, the Matrix, a few bumps in the road. I did one big mistake that I didn't want to get on camera, but I just want to let you guys know what I did. So when I bought the 1ZZ from LKQ Canada, the description on the eBay listing said it was from an automatic Matrix. And when I got the 1ZZ, it had manual transmission bolts. When I got the 1ZZ, it didn't have a flex plate or a flywheel, so it only came with the bolts on the crank, I guess you could say. It had the 12-point bolts on it, and I was like, okay, well, since this motor came with these 12 points, I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse them. But I didn't notice that on the automatic 1ZZ, where the flex plate is bolted on, you will have 6-point bolts, as opposed to the 12-point on a manual. I did not know that. When I put my flex plate on my 1ZZ, I put in the manual bolts and I bolted everything up, the automatic transmission, and basically what had happened was I couldn't turn the crank. I connected everything. Everything was connected. All the motor mounts, all the connections. I even put oil in it. And I tried to start it. All you would hear is just the starter trying to engage, but it couldn't because my flex plate was stuck, because I guess it was the bolts were touching the torque converter. I don't know. Turns out I had to use the original 6-point bolts from my automatic. The XRS, believe it or not, I drive it a lot more than the Celica. If anything, I drive the Celica maybe on a Friday or on a Saturday or Sunday weekend. I don't want to say it's my weekend car, but technically it is my weekend car. I don't take it out. I try not to get pulled over with it. It is somewhat of a cop magnet in a way, and I just don't want to get pulled over. I really don't. Back to the Corolla XRS. Not much has changed with the Corolla XRS. I did install an aftermarket head unit, a Pioneer Double Din touchscreen. I haven't really done any performance things to it recently, but I do want to get the PPE header. I also want to get the bored out I guess you could call it bored out throttle body that I think they're pronounced Street Works. I hit him up a while back and I asked him, hey, I'm interested in your bored out throttle bodies. I would like to purchase one. He's like, oh, I don't have any right now. Sorry. And so I kept emailing. I emailed him another time and I haven't heard back from him. So I assume they're not gonna have any anytime soon. And I think they have a service where you can send in your parts, but I believe this guy's like on the other side of the country, so shipping something to him is gonna be probably a little bit pricey. I don't know. Next time I do find a throttle body at the junkyard from a 2ZZ Matrix or Corolla, I will go ahead and pull that off and just send it to him and see if I can get it made, I guess, bored out. So there's a reason why I haven't done these mods to the Corolla. It's because I have a business to take care of. Some of you already know I own a small arcade in a flea market that opens Saturdays and Sundays. It's called Arcade Replay, and I just did an expansion where I got a different booth, where I got an additional booth, and I'm gonna be setting up some pool tables and some other things on it. And I had to invest in my business, because if I don't invest in my business, I'm not gonna make more money, and I need to make money to get more car parts. I'm not saying I don't want to buy these car parts. I really do. I really want to, but you got to make the right choices here in life. I can't just be buying car part after car part after car part and just make YouTube videos. I'm not getting paid from YouTube right now. I'm really not. I'm making zeros. I'm just doing this because I want to. I'm just doing, like, it's a little hobby of mine. I used to do this back in the day with my camera with my friends. We used to make a lot of stupid videos, and I got into this video editing class in high school, and ever since then it just skyrocketed me. I'm just like liking to do videos, recording videos, making videos, and uploading them to YouTube. I just love doing that. It's my passion. I like it. It's a hobby for me, I guess you could say. What is our first gen RX-7? Prius. Is that even how you spell Prius? Prius. Trash cars. What is this for? What the hell? Look at this color. It was only available 1 year on the Corolla. This is actually an OEM color. This isn't like an aftermarket color. It looks really nice. I believe my friend RX-7 Rocket put a picture of his car right here. He had this color on his Corolla and it looked really nice. I really like this color. Today I'm here because my friend told me to come check out a car for him. We're going to be looking at a 5th gen Celica. I believe it's, yeah, 5th gen. He wants me to check out the fender, and I think I see it. So here's the Celica he wanted me to look at, and fender actually looks pretty good. I don't see anything wrong with it. There's a little ding right there. You could probably put a little bit of Bond or maybe hammer it out if you're good at it. Got some damage right here. You could probably pop that out easy. It does kind of bind up right here. Hopefully because it's that. But it looks really good. It's a shame that, what is it? Manual? Really? That sucks. Shame this had to go, but I wanted to buy it. They had it for sale at Pig and Pull. Looks really clean. So there will be more Corolla content on the channel. I've just been more focused on the Celica because I was trying to finish it. Not finish it, but just put all the aero pieces together because I don't like rolling in a car that doesn't really look all that great. And I've been getting a lot of like compliments about the Celica. It's been getting a lot of attention on social media and just in the streets. And whoa, what the hell? Is this OEM? I don't think this is OEM, but that's weird. Anyways, I didn't bring any tools with me because I barely got back from Gilroy. I was at Gilroy. I'm taking care of some business. I'm getting some pool tables for my business. That's why I wasn't buying any car parts. And I went out there to go pick some pool tables out because there's these guys that are going to deliver it to me tomorrow at my location. So I had to go take care of that. And I can't get the fender for him right now. I'll probably get it tomorrow though. I'm gonna come in the morning really early, get the fender for him. He's a really cool guy. Hopefully he watches my videos. But I met him at my old job, round one, before I got fired. Anyways, that's the story for another day. So some of you guys have been telling me to do actual performance mods for the Celica, but the thing is that I don't want to do that many performance mods on the Celica as of right now. I really don't. It's an automatic Celica. I know some of you people are gonna be like, they're still quick and automatic, they're still blah 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 blah. Look guys, I don't want to do it on an automatic. I'm going to maybe down the road convert it into a 6-speed manual. I visit the junkyards a lot, so it's like it's not that I can't find the parts, it's just that I have priorities right now that I need to manage. I need to pick which things I have to do first. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, and thanks for watching.